Want to dominate the court with your friends in NBA Live Mobile? Let's get you teaming up and crushing the competition. First things first, launch NBA Live Mobile on your device. Make sure you and your friends are all running the latest version of the app for seamless compatibility. Next, navigate to the Leagues section. You'll usually find this on the bottom navigation bar. It's where all the team action happens. Now, you have two options: join an existing league or create your own. If you already have a league set up with your friends, awesome. If not, let's create one together. If you're the one starting the party, tap on the Create League button. This will bring up a menu where you can customize your league. Give your league a catchy name, pick a cool logo that represents your team, and decide whether you want it to be public or private. If you want to play exclusively with your friends, make sure to set the league to private. A private league requires a password. So set a memorable password that your friends will remember. Write it down somewhere if needed. Once your league is created, it's time to invite your friends. Look for the invite button. It's usually prominently displayed on the league's main screen. This will bring up a list of your NBA Live Mobile friends. Select the friends you want to join your league and send them invitations. If you don't see them, have them add you as a friend in the game and then refresh the list. Now, just wait for your friends to accept the invitations. Once they're in, you can start participating in league tournaments, challenges, and chat smack talk. That's it. You're now ready to dominate the court with your friends in NBA Live Mobile. Get out there, strategize, and show everyone what your league is made of. Now go out there and have fun. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helped you, and let us know in the comments what other NBA Live Mobile tips you want to see.